Hello students, this is the question answer of reading C. Uncle Bowser hangs a picture of unit 2. Okay, look here the question answer. Do you think the children, the question number 1, do you think the children in the house were full? Why did Uncle Bowser that so about them? Okay, think about them. So the answer is Uncle Bowser thought so about them because Uncle Bowser was not accused in hanging the picture. वो पिक्चर को हैंग करने के लिए अभ्यस्त नहीं थे, उन्हें प्रैक्टिस नहीं थी. एंड मोर ओवर हिज अरेंजमेंट वर नॉट डन प्रॉपरली and one by one he was doing the mistake and blame to children as they were full. तो और बच्चों को ब्लेम कर रहे थे कि आपने जो है वो आप लोगों ने जो है वो अच्छे से काम नहीं किया. दैट मीन्स यू आर अ फूल. ओके. एंड द सेकंड क्वेश्चन, डिस्पाइट telling he would the picture himself, why was Uncle Bowser not to do able to do it? ओके. चित्र को वो स्वयं टांग लेंगे ऐसा कहने के बावजूद जो अंकल पॉजर है वो चित्र को नहीं टांग सके. तो क्यों नहीं टांग सके? बिकॉज he was not accused in hanging the picture and he didn't organize his work according to preference. That's why he was in a hagar condition. That means hagar condition. That means वो जो है वो अव्यवस्थित तरीके से कार्य कर रहे थे, अव्यवस्थित थे. Now the third question, the story of the hanging in picture is incomplete. Why? Right, that happens. Uncle Bowser dropped the hammer at the end of the story. जो यह स्टोरी है चित्र को टांगने की, पिक को, वो अधूरी है, पूरी नहीं है. ओके. बिकॉज इट इज नॉट हेड एंड नॉट टेल. कभी कुछ बताता है, कभी कुछ गुम हो जाता है, कभी कुछ गुम हो जाता है. और लास्ट में जब अंकल पॉजर के हाथ से एंड में, स्टोरी के एंड में जो हथौड़ी नीचे गिर जाती है, तो क्या हुआ उसके बारे में लिखना है. एट द इंस्टेंट ही कुड नॉट हैव हैमर्ड द नेल एज ही वाज हर्ट. वो हथौड़ी से जब उठा करके जो किल को है नहीं ठोके क्योंकि वो क्या है, घायल थे. एंड बट आफ्टर सम टाइम्स व्हेन हिज थम्स वुड held, he would have again hammered the nail and tried to hang the picture. और थोड़ी देर बाद वो जब घाव ठीक होने लगता है फिर वो किल को, नेल्स को जो है वो स्ट्रोक करके इसको टांगे होंगे. ओके. आफ्टर सम डेज. ओके. एंड क्वेश्चन नंबर 4, write down 4 actions that make Uncle Bowser a funny character. And what are their 4 actions? Write down about that in this question telling. Now the answer is, firstly he would send the maid out for 6 penny worth of nails, and then one of the boys after her to tell what size to get. Okay. And then when the maid comes back, she must go out again for a bit of picture card, and then that he had get up and find that he had been sitting on it. And then number 4, the funny action is the nail would be found at last, but by that time he would have lost the hammer. Okay. तो अपने मेड सर्वेंट को भेजते हैं पैनी लाने के लिए, लेकिन उसको साइज नहीं बताते. फिर जब वो वापस आती है तो उसको रस्सी लेने के लिए भेज देते हैं, और फिर वो अपने स्थान से उठते हैं. और जब उनको पता चलता है कि वो उसी कोट पर बैठे थे जिसमें कि उनकी हैंकरचीफ रखी हुई है, हैंकी रखी हुई है. एंड देन लास्ट में जब नेल मिल जाती है उसके बाद फिर हथौड़ी गुम हो जाती है. ओके. Now the question number 5. What did Aunt Maria say when Uncle Pozzer used bad language? What does it tell you about her character? Uncle Maria के किस character को show करती है this thing? Now the answer is when Uncle Pozzer used bad language. Okay, Aunt Maria would say that she wouldn't allow the children to stand around and hear such language. It shows that she wanted to cultivate good habits in children. जब अंकल पॉजर जो है वो अब्यूजिंग लैंग्वेज जो गलत भाषा का प्रयोग करते हैं तो आंट मारिया जो है वो क्या करती है कि उनके आसपास उनको नहीं ठहरने देना चाहती, ऐसी अब्यूजिंग लैंग्वेज को सुनने नहीं देना चाहती। और इससे हमें ये पता चलता है कि वो आंट मारिया जो है वो बच्चों में क्या करना चाहती है, एक अच्छी हैबिट, गुड हैबिट्स जो है वो कल्टिवेट करना चाहती हैं, डालना चाहती हैं। ओके, एंड क्वेश्चन नंबर 6 and 7 is omitted. Okay, now the students in the next we are seeing here some question has given some options. Okay, in a page number 53. Okay, the question is read the incident given in the table below and pick out adjective from the box to describe Uncle Pozzer. Okay, and here are some incidents from the story. You look down in the table and put the options is also given in the question, so put here the answers. First, he dropped the picture hammer and nail. This is the careless characters of the Uncle Pozzer. It shows the careless property. And the next one, he took off his coat and didn't know that he was sitting on it, forgetful. And the third one, and he would take, this one is the clumsy nature. And number 4, he shouted at all the children and not being able to find the coat when he was sitting on itself. This is the impatient and the quality of impatient. And then he sent the maid to get nails without telling with what size. This is the disorganized property. And he said even a cat and find things that his family cannot to blame others. Okay, and now look the question in a vocabulary section. The question is, if the sentence given below and underlined phrases can be expressed in a word, write meaning of the phrases in the speech providing. Okay, now here one word substitution and underlined phrases are of the story. First one is a new picture would come and would be standing in the drawing room waiting to be put up. To be put up, that means hung. This is the given answer. And number B, and then he would take off his coat and begin. It shows the remove. And number C, you can't find a coat I put down 5 minutes ago. This is the place down. And next one, he would have to go down on our knees and look for it. This is the searching property. And number E, I never came across such people in all my life. Meet. And F, oh, you can give it up. I found it all by myself. Leave. Okay, now the next in a page number 55.